Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 skin install. Huge shout out to XtremeSkins for giving me the opportunity to represent. They sent me the matte red, the matte white, and the silver black wood skin for the Z Flip 4. Now I can go all red, all white, or I can go all silver black wood. But I think I'm going to mix it up. Why not? If I don't like it, then later I can change it up. What I'm going to do is speed up the video, add some music, and I'm just going to start the install. Take your time, be patient, enjoy the process. That's what it's all about. And then you end up with a really sexy smartphone. I mean, this smartphone right here, the Z Flip 4, is already sexy. But we're going to give it a little extra some. You know what I'm talking about. All the information that you will need to purchase these skins out of the UK will be down below in the description area. You need to give XtremeSkins about a week, maybe a week and a half, since these are coming in from the UK. So yeah, you want to be a little bit patient. XtremeSkins Precision Style Protection, thank you for your order. You're awesome. I did not order these, but that's what it's going to say when you order yours. Apply your skin and share it with us using the hashtag XtremeSkinners. Right there, hashtag XtremeSkinners. You can find out a little bit more about XtremeSkins if you follow them over at Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and of course YouTube. You got your website right down in here. So that is super cool. And with that, let's do this. Other thing before I continue, I will be using a blow dryer to heat up the adhesive so it sticks really nice to my Z Flip 4. But it's very important that you constantly move the blow dryer around. However you want to do that, whether it's back and forth, in a circular motion, figure 8, I don't care. Just move it around so the heat doesn't just sit in one area directly hitting the skin and the phone. It damages your skin, but more importantly, damage your phone. So yeah, constantly move it around. So we're going to do that now. I'm really stoked about the process. Everything turned out great. It's kind of a different look with the silver black wood skin at the bottom. Got that white matte and the red matte up top. And since I have the other pieces of skin still. If I get bored of this, I can change it out. Yeah, that looks good. It's different. Why not? I'm digging it. Now, what helps the skin stick even more so to, and in this video we're using the Z Flip 4, but other smartphones that you're applying skins to outside of the blow dryer, heating up the adhesive so it'll stick, is a case. Now, I did review this case a while back. Slim Galaxy Z Flip 4 clear case from Rinky. Live a better day. So yeah, I already reviewed it. It's a clear case, and it's pretty darn grippy too. So what's going to happen is that the case is going to press up against the skin on my Z Flip 4, and that way you can see the skin, that little extra sexy some that's going on here. I'm always going to have a case because I'm going to protect my investment. But since I do want to see the sexiness of the skin, let's do that.
I'm going to take that back off because it's a little dirty in there. Give it a wipe down. It's got this matte texture on the inside. You can feel it. You can hear it. Okay. Just like that.
Still got a little something in there, but you can see what that looks like. Looks really good. And bam, that fingerprint reader, side mounted fingerprint reader is just freaking amazing. And that is what it looks like. And yeah, you get some fingerprints on there, but it is what it is. Gotta wipe it down every once in a while. Okay, there we go. Huge shout out to XtremeSkins. Again, all the information down below in the description area to purchase these skins. In this video, I'm going to tell you, man, you're going to have a lot of different choices, colors, textures over at the XtremeSkins website. Thanks for watching, everybody. Any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. Till my next video, this is myproject13. God bless. Peace. I am out.